I want your love, don't wanna borrow. Have it today to give back tomorrow.
So this is what I'm eating as a snack. Avocado with smoked pepper, toasted bread, and watching the penalty kicks, Croatia and Denmark. It was a crazy game. They scored in the first 4 minutes, both of them, and then that's it. In the overtime, Croatia, they missed the penalty kick, and that could have made it for them, but that ends up being intense. Mira cómo están. ¿Comieron? ¿No me dijeron?
Yeah. Pues I was calling you y no me contestaste.
No te escuché.
Fernando.
No te escuché. Yeah, pero no te escuché. So I just finished editing the vlog. I'm behind a little bit, but I have all the videos. But now it's time to reheat some food. It's gonna be this rice, a little bit of chicken, and potatoes. And I'm getting excited because the pants that my father-in-law's future father-in-law got me, they never fit. They're size 32, but a little bit stretchy, but now they fit, and I sit down, they feel comfortable, but they're still a little bit too close to my waist, as in a little bit too tight. I can put my finger, but I want it to be a little bit more loose, and I'm excited about that. I want to run it again today, but I shouldn't because it's my rest day. Alright, so that's it for today. She doesn't like being recorded.
No, es que esto es lo malo de venir en la noche de Wii y teléfono, ya no hay cosas buenas.
They don't have the good stuff.
Ya están todas feas.
It's just crumbs. Get the crumbs. Because we got here so late. So my baby's trying to find chicken breast that says organic. Like that. Because she wants to compare it with Costco's organic. But then I told her, oh, what about this one? And like, it's $4 per pound. But she's all like, nah, is it organic? And I'm like, but it's fresh. It's not good enough, man. It's not good enough. Had to get pizza.
Dun, dun, dun.
This is our weakness.
That's my favorite toppings. We're just missing pineapple.
Pineapple ruins it.
No.
It's time to eat. So I already finished doing this, peeling the carrots, watching the movie. The chicken's being done. It's kind of spicy, so it's kind of hard to breathe. And I have the oven on for the carrots, the potatoes. Say goodnight, babe.
Good night.
Stay motivated.
Stay motivated.